Hey guys, welcome to my stream once again. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm very excited about it. It's from justgeek.com. Yeah, just got a new shipment in. But before we do that, I do have to shout out our sponsor, Among Us. So join your crewmates in a multiplayer game of teamwork and betrayal. Play online or over local Wi-Fi with 4 to 15 players as you attempt to prepare your spaceship for departure. But beware, as one will be an imposter, bent on killing everyone. Crewmates can win by completing all of their tasks or discovering and voting the imposter off the ship. The imposter can use sabotage to cause chaos, making for easier kills and better skills. Now, this is an awesome game, guys. You can find it on Steam, find it on Google, for like pretty much next to nothing or free. So seriously, check out Among Us. A lot of fun. Just be careful. This won't ruin friendships, okay? Alright. So, to the unboxing video, right? Got this in from justgeek.com. Alright. So you may be wondering, well, John, what's in the package? And I just want to tell you guys. So I ordered a whole bunch of Doom Eternal collectibles. You know, like the little toys in the game. If you ever played that game? Very cool. It even says, like, I'll show you an example. Because I already happen to own a few myself, yeah, being a gamer and all. So you see, as in the game, it says like toy found on the box. It's of course, the demon inside. This one's an imp. Pretty neat. Still sealed, of course, because like when one of them loses value. So without further ado, give me your fucking money. Said give me your money. I'm not fucking kidding, dude. Yeah. Venmo me all of your money. Now. Just kidding. Alright. Okay. Here, a little better viewing angle here. Oh, let's see, so to start out with, the Baron of Hell, well, like the granddaddies of demons right here. Put that off to the side. This one's a big one, just physically. It's Arachnotron. Yeah, good look at it. You see the turret in the back. A little bit of glare, but not the best lighting. Side. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the first heavy you encounter in the game, actually. And Hell on Earth, first level. Of course, no true collector cannot have the Doom Slayer. Alright? Alright. I was a bitch to face these guys. Hate you. And last but certainly not least, the Revenant. Look at the coloration and the detail of this bad boy. It's pretty cool for what it is, you know? Alright. So it should be everything from the box. Yeah. So I mean, I guess that concludes it. Here's one final look at them all together. Oh shit. Oh. Just kidding. That break of character here. I thought I had a bloody nose. I don't know. I'd be bleeding somewhere. Anywho, well guys, hope you enjoyed my stream. We'll see if we have anything more coming later. John out.